Ma'am, can you explain about these charts?
Yeah, this is about like how to maintain your health. This season wise. See, Hitabuk is Hitavada Manasige Hidisuva Ahara Sevisbeku. That is, only you have to consume the food which you like to have. Is it not? So that is Hitabuk. So all of a sudden you are in some other state. Suppose you are in north. There they use all this roti.
Yes, different kind of
food. All of a sudden you come to south. Here rice.
Yes.
So you can't tell people to like all of a sudden you can't change over to that. Is it not?
Yes.
So whatever is the region where you are.
There are special food.
The food what you eat over there.
Yes.
Like what your parents would have eaten. Is it not? So
Different
that food we need to eat.
Yes.
Not the food which comes from outside. Now globalization is there.
Yes.
So the food whichever, like what you call as pizza, burger, were there in our parents' time?
No. It's in Chinese Western food.
Yes. We can't digest that. We can't be digesting such kind of junk food. Okay. For them it might be good, but we cannot be. See, one day if you take gobi manchuri, don't you feel like you can't even digest it? Like,
Yes.
Is it not?
Yes.
So whatever ingredients are there, like ajinomoto and all such maida and all such
Masalas.
things, maida we can't digest actually. So all these things we can't be digesting. What is digestible to us, what is good for us, only those things we have to eat. So that is Hitabuk. Rutubuk is about season. Seasonal
food.
Seasonal food.
Yes.
So in particular, now again globalization, because of globalization what happens is we will eat throughout the year we get all sorts of
Food.
fruits and vegetables. That is why we are not healthy. The present generation is not healthy because we are not eating seasonal food.
Okay.
We eat now it's available in the market. It's because of the marketing techniques and globalization we are
New techniques.
Yes.
Very new techniques.
So and another thing is seasonal. That's what seasonal fruits you should eat. Seasonal vegetables you should eat in the place where you are born and brought up. Okay.
Yes.
All of a sudden you can't go for noodles and all such things,
Yes,
right?
okay.
We can't be digesting it. Then comes see, food in proper quantity. The stomach is divided into 4 parts actually.
Okay.
So 2 parts you should eat solid food. 1 part is for water, and 1 part you should leave it like a mixie. In a mixie, see, if you fill it up, you can't. It won't.
Close it. Yes.
You can't. Like if you close, if you if you put it on, it won't become a good paste, right?
Yes.
So what you have to do is leave quarter space. The same thing is our stomach. So we have to leave it for grinding
empty
it,
space.
and it will get digested.
Okay.
Yeah. So you are watching. Now you watch mobile, not TV. TV is gone now. Mobile. You keep watching the mobile. Keep on munching. You'll never know where to stop. Is it not?
Yes.
You have to eat only half. Still you should feel hungry. That time itself you should stop eating. Only then you can digest it, so that the next food, at least 2 to 3 hours you need to give a gap for the next meal.
Yes.
Okay, that is one thing. Yeah, all these about thing. So outside food and all you should not eat.
We should avoid outside street food.
Street cut items like cut fruits and all that. So the same thing goes with your bhel puri, pani puri and all.
Okay.
You know how the plates will be. You know how those people will be. Never do that. Prepare at home, clean food.
Yes.
Is it not? So again,
That is not hygiene.
Rutubuk. So based on all these things, first you need to clean yourself, clean all the fruits, wash well. These days pesticides are used. So you have to wash properly and boil properly, and only then eat in what quantity I have told you. Even water, what quantity you should drink. See, I have shown here. Yes, stomach wala.
Okay.
So all these complete nourishing food. Earlier they used to use a leaf. On the leaf, what they used
we have
to put.
to consume food.
So what how they used to do is first sweet. For
Yes.
sweet, they would serve very little paisa, right?
Yeah,
Very
yeah.
little. Only that much is enough for us to
Correct
increase
nutrition.
our digestive juices.
Yes.
But what we are doing now is, in all these functions and parties, what we are doing at the end, we have desserts, ice creams, fruits. That is the wrong way of eating.
Yes.
The right way is, you need to give gap. First you need to eat fruits actually. Okay, fruits, give some gap,
Okay.
at least 2 hours. Fruits will get digested fast,
Okay.
right?
Yes, yes.
So you should
Yes.
give some time.
For the next meal.
Yes, if you are going for a function or something, as you go, first eat little fruits or little ice cream. Only later on. Even cool drinks. Cool drinks, you know how they are made out of. Never do that. Your own, we have our own. See, lot of fruits and vegetables are there. Amla.
Yes,
Amla
yes.
is there.
Yes.
That is more powerful than
For
any
the
other.
juice.
We are very good for digestion, and lemon is there. All our fruits and vegetables also we can prepare. Okay,
Yes.
that is one thing. This is about dinachari, what I was saying. We'll continue.